I had the tuning box on a previous motorhome following a recommendation from a friend who had a motorhome, and he said it gave great benefits, so we've tried it out on the previous motorhome, and yeah, I was very pleased with the results. Certainly I felt an increase in performance when driving on dual carriageways, motorways, anything like that. I felt I had the confidence that I could pull out from a lorry or something like that and overtake, and it still felt like it had plenty to give. Whereas without it, you know, you could feel a little bit sluggish and a little bit laboured. On the previous motorhome, the box was on for roughly 2 years. Did everything it should do, basically. It felt, you know, like there was plenty of power there. So we've only just bought this one, so we've sort of planned a week away on the south coast to try her out and get everything loaded up, etc. So hopefully the box will be successful on this one.